The unconditional love of a mother. Maya was a single mother from a small village, with a son named Raj. She burned the candle at both ends, working long hours at the factory to make ends meet. Although Maya felt tired after work, she never complained. She wanted to give Raj a good life, so she did everything possible to make it happen. Despite their financial struggles, Maya always ensured Raj had enough food, warm clothes, and a roof over his head. She saved every penny she could to send him to school so that he could have a better future. One day, Raj fell ill and had to be hospitalized. Maya stayed by his side the whole time, holding his hand and praying for him to get better. She spent every waking moment caring for him, going the extra mile to ensure he was comfortable and had everything he needed. Maya never gave up even when the doctors said there was little hope. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Maya read to Raj, sang him songs, and told him stories to keep his spirits up. She went above and beyond to be his rock, guardian angel, and source of strength during his illness. Despite the challenges they faced, Maya never lost heart and remained a pillar of support for Raj. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Raj started to get better. Maya's prayers had been answered, and her son was on the road to recovery. Overwhelmed with emotion, Maya cried tears of joy and hugged him tightly, feeling like a weight had been lifted off her shoulders. She knew that the light at the end of the tunnel was in sight, and that her son would soon be fully recovered. Years later, Raj became a successful businessman and took care of his mother in her golden years. He never forgot his mother's sacrifices for him and made sure to shower her with the best care and attention. Maya wore her heart on her sleeve when it came to her love for her son Raj, who she valued more than anything else in the world.